Hello friends, good morning everyone. Today we have to start topic number 5, subsidiary book. In that question number 4, page number 136. Prepare two column cash book of Guru Dakshina brothers. In that question bracket given narration not required. So suppose in question given narration right, then we have to write narration, and suppose not given that narration not required, then no need to write. See here we have to prepare two column cash book in the books of Guru Dakshina brothers. Cash book with cash and bank column. Left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. Debit side is the receipt side. So date, receipt, R number, that is receipt number, LF ledger folio, then cash rupees and bank rupees. After that credit side, date, payment side, then V number, that is voucher number, LF ledger folio, cash rupees and bank rupees. Now we have to start the question. March 1st 2019, 1st March, cash balance rupees 13,000 and bank overdraft rupees 18,000. Cash balance, that is debit balance, and bank overdraft means credit balance of bank. So cash balance, so debit side we have to write March 2019 first, two balance brought down because opening balance 13,000 cash column and bank overdraft credit side bank column we have to write. 1st March by balance brought down bank column 18,000. 2nd March received from Neha cash rupees 1,700 and bearer check rupees 500. See, कैश रिसीव्ड हुआ है नेहा के पास से 1,700 एंड बियरर चेक इज ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक कैश. Whenever bearer check is given, then we have to consider cash. So 1,700 plus 500, 2,200 received from Neha. So debit side, receipt side we have to write 2nd March to Neha's account, cash column 2,200. Then 7th March, paid to Dhanraj rupees 6,000 by check. धनराज को चेक पेड किया है. So entry is Dhanraj account debit to bank account credit. So here posting credit side because we have to paid check 7th March by Dhanraj account, bank column 6,000 because here check is given. Next, 8 March, cash sale rupees 6,545 and discount allowed rupees 55. Cash sale means cash comes in. So receipt side we have to write two sales account. 8 March, two sales account. Amount we have to write 6,545 only. And here discount is given. So no need to write discount. Next, 10th March, check received on 2nd March 2019 deposited into बैंक. सी 2nd March को चेक रिसीव्ड हुआ है नेहा के पास से बियरर चेक रुपीज़ 500. दैट चेक डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक ऑन 10th March. So entry is whenever check deposited into bank, then contra entry is there because contra entry के 3 transactions है. check deposited into bank, then check withdrawn from bank for office use, and another one check received on previous day, that is 2nd March deposited into bank. So 2nd March को received हुआ है चेक, वो 10th March को deposit किया है. So this is contra entry transaction. Contra entry means both the side effect, debit side as well as credit side. So that 500 rupees check deposited into bank. So entry is bank account debit, okay, to cash account. So CLF column, बैंक में पैसा डिपॉजिट हुआ, जमा हुआ, so 500 rupees. Then credit side also effect, cash goes out, so by bank account. 10th March by bank account, LF column C, and here 500 cash goes out. Next, 12th March deposited into bank rupees 5,000. Again contra entry transactions. Whenever deposited into bank cash, then entry is here bank account debit to cash account credit. Means both the side effect, bank and cash. बैंक में पैसा जमा हो गया. So entry is here to cash account C, LF column C, amount 5,000 बैंक में जमा हो गया. Then credit side also effect 12th March by bank, LF column C, 5,000 rupees cash. Cash goes out because cash deposited into bank. 13 March, goods purchased from Prachi on credit rupees 5,000. See, in this transaction, credit transaction is there. So, this transaction is not recorded in cash book because in cash book only cash transactions are recorded. Then we have to write the note here. After this question answer, we have to write note that transaction dated 13 March is of credit purchase of goods. So, it is not recorded in cash book. It is recorded in purchase book. Okay. Then 15 date transaction. Check received from Neha, return dishonored. See here in this question 10th March we have to deposit check into the bank. Okay. And that check return dishonored. Return dishonored ho gaya. Okay. Then entry is here. See here check deposited, that is bank account debit to cash. After that check dishonored. सो अपोजिट इफेक्ट. सो इसके पास से रिसीव हुआ था नेहा के पास से. सो नेहा को क्या करेंगे, वो चेक दे देंगे. सो नेहाज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट क्रेडिट. यहाँ पे बैंक में जमा हुआ था, सो यहाँ पे डिजोनर्ड हो गया, सो बैंक क्रेडिट आ गया. सो एंट्री इज बाय 15th March transaction by Neha's account 500 rupees. That is what check return dishonored. Okay, deposited check return dishonored. So credit side effect by Neha's account, bank column 500 rupees. Because entry is here, see the entry, Neha's account debit to bank account credit. That's why here by bank, by Neha's account, here bank column 500 rupees. Because bank is credited. Then 20 March, purchase goods from Sweetie rupees 5,000 at 7% trade discount and paid half of the amount immediately. See, goods purchased from Sweetie. How much? 5,000 goods. See here, 5,000 goods purchased from Sweetie and paid half of the amount immediately. See, half amount paid, half of 5,000, 2,500. In that 7% trade discount is there. So 2,500 into 7 by 100. So amount is 175 trade discount. That trade discount we have to minus from the half amount. 2,500 minus 175. So 2,325, this is what purchase. So purchase goods from Sweetie. So entry is by here, by purchase account. Cash goes out 2,325. So cash column. Next 22nd March, bank paid insurance premium rupees 1,000 and collected interest on investment 1,650. See, this is here we have to pay, this is payment side we have to record, and collected interest on investment. This is what interest received हो गया on investment के ऊपर. So this is debit side, receipt side. So credit side by insurance premium account. This is what paid through bank. So 1,000 we have to write bank column and collected interest on investment. So here debit side, receipt side we have to write to interest on investment rupees 1,650. See both this is recorded in bank column because bank paid here written, bank paid insurance premium. So by insurance premium bank column 1,000 and collect interest on investment. Bank ने collect किया है interest. So receipt side we have to write to interest on investment 1,650. After that 24th date, check issued to Dhanraj was dishonored. से अगेन इशूड चेक किया है वो डिसऑनर्ड हो गया। सो इशूड की एंट्री यहाँ पे हो गई है पेड टू धनराज 6000 बाय चेक। सो एंट्री इज हियर धनराज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट। सी चेक पेड टू धनराज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक एंड दैट चेक इज डिसऑनर्ड। सो हियर बैंक क्रेडिट में है तो बैंक डेबिट आ जाएगा। सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू धनराज अकाउंट क्रेडिट, that is what check issued to Dhanraj was dishonored. So here we have to write to Dhanraj account 6000 जो 7th मार्च को पेड किया था, that check dishonored. So opposite side effect to Dhanraj account bank column 6000 because this is dishonored. Next 26 date, Gupta store directly deposited into our bank account rupees 7500 directly deposited. So entry is bank account debit to Gupta's account, Gupta store account credit. So debit side we have to write because check deposited directly by customer here to Gupta store account 7500. So entry is bank account debit to Gupta store account credit 7500. Then last transaction, this is different transaction, deposited cash in excess of rupees 3920 into the bank. Means बैंक में all cash deposit किया है except 3920 मीन्स 3920 ये बैलेंस रख के रिमेनिंग अमाउंट वी हैव टू डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक. So that balance we have to write here by balance carried down. Directly we have to write by balance 31st March by balance carried down 3920. ये कैश बैलेंस रख के रिमेनिंग अमाउंट डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक. देन वी हैव टू डू द टोटल. वी हैव टू डू द टोटल ऑफ debit side of cash. So debit side of cash total 21,745 debit side total. Now we have to do the credit side cash column total. So credit side total आएगा यहाँ पे 5000 plus 500 5500 plus 2325. So आता है अमाउंट 7825 plus 3920. ये बैलेंस रख के अमाउंट निकालेंगे. प्लस 3920 आएगा तो 11,745. दैट इज क्रेडिट टोटल. सो डेबिट टोटल माइनस क्रेडिट टोटल 10,000. दिस इज बैलेंस. ओके, सो दैट बैलेंस डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक. सो एंट्री इज 30 तारीख को डिपॉजिट किया है बाय, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेंटेंस दिया है 30th मार्च डिपॉजिटेड कैश इन एक्सेस ऑफ रुपीज़ 3920 इनटू द बैंक. मीन्स ये बैलेंस रख के रिमेनिंग जो डिफरेंस आ रहा है दैट इज़ डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक. सो दैट डिफरेंस इज 10,000. सो डेबिट टोटल 21,745 माइनस दिस क्रेडिट टोटल 3920 ऐड करके टोटल आ रहा है 11,745. दैट वी हैव टू माइनस क्रेडिट. सो रिमेनिंग इज द बैलेंस दैट इज डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक 10,000. सो एंट्री इज बाय बैंक अकाउंट सी 10,000. हियर डिफरेंस वी हैव टू राइट दैट इज डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक. देन डेबिट साइड इफेक्ट टू कैश अकाउंट सी, बैंक में जमा हुआ 10,000. ओके, and 3920 this is what balance. Then we have to do the total of bank column. बैंक column का total डेबिट टोटल आ रहा है 30,650 माइनस क्रेडिट टोटल. यहाँ तक क्रेडिट टोटल आ रहा है 25,500. दैट इज 18,000 प्लस 6,000 24,000 प्लस 1,000 25,000 प्लस 500 25,500. माइनस करेंगे डेबिट टोटल माइनस क्रेडिट टोटल. दिस इज डेबिट टोटल माइनस यहाँ तक क्रेडिट टोटल 5150. दिस इज द बैलेंस. सो बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 5150. देन बोथ द साइड वी हैव टू राइट द टोटल. जो ज़्यादा टोटल है वो पहले टोटल लिखना है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस हियर. एंड दिस बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन बिकॉज दिस इज एंड ऑफ द मंथ दैट इज 31st March. closing balance, buy balance carried down, C oblique D, that is closing balance, and that closing balance is brought down for the next month, that is April 1st. To balance brought down, cash column 3920 and bank column 5150. So in this question, contra entry transactions are there as well as dishonored transactions are there. So you have to solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.